for year, so that the money go dey big wey they go dey pay am. Like make him marry the woman, can I be the plan with him marry the woman? Come. This man. Everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you go to hear many Ogbonge news when they come out for here. Thank you and God bless you people for me. My people, now remember that topic when I talk about when I said that man where they beat his wife because of money. When I remember when I do the topic, so many men call me, they say I join the woman, this, that. So now I say I not join the woman. Just that I not like my way be say go dey fight for that single mother money. How much be the money? Now only lazy man now go dey fight because of that money. So that make on hear the region say not be only this woman don't ever born for the man. If that woman feel born for him before, because you not fit cheat the woman, you can't go Nigeria go marry a woman come. You can't tell the woman say you born 9 children for her for year, so that the money go dey big when they go dey pay him. Like make him marry the woman, can I be the plan with him marry the woman? Come. This man. So along the line, this woman say, you know they take care of her. When I never see the woman the way the woman be for the video. You know they take care of the woman. You know they do anything for the woman. The woman say go give her 300 euro every month. If they pay, go give the woman 300 euro. Instead of that 300, I go say pay bill, I go say buy food where children go eat. Sometimes money not go even reach her. He say no know what to do again. Before she can't begin the fight that day, you give her money not they reach anything. This woman not fit take care of her own self. Nothing. And this man they owe all the money. You know they give this woman anything. You know why I they do this topic again? Now when they bring on a woman come from Nigeria, and maybe they do this topic again. Because so many men don't bring their wife, they don't want me wise. They don't want me know how much they pay. They don't go want, because if you come wise, na problem dey. Okay, see this one now. After he don't do what he do that, because the man on the video the thing that day. After he don't do what he do that day, now he can go call for one live video. What somebody do. You can go call him, begin to talk nonsense thing there. Begin to pull life for the woman head. Whereas now now be the bad person. Now somebody call the woman, tell the woman say, the husband they put life for your head for one platform. May you see go call it, may you talk your own side of the story. And then I can't take call the woman can't talk. People can't shock her lies. You know they take care of this woman. The money that they pay, you know they give the woman say, even go rich, he say they wear pikin, but they bought for Europe. Una know that napkin that they call them now. Wait, now this woman they use for a pikin, pass not they. This man not the wear a pikin pass. This man not the one buy. Because make it they use napkin. Now this woman they use for Europe by people. This man, the woman say he get one day, he no come see money to buy pampers. He come there outside. He come back light to your neighbor say, I beg, your husband not there. He no see money. He forget a key for his house. I beg you borrow me 5 euro first. He go give you. If your husband come back, he go give you the money. Then I can't say go buy pampers. Quick go buy 5 euro. First wear pikin. Pikin where they born for Europe. This man just now only anyone and they eat all the money where they bring. More at least you know our men what this man do, whether he good. Whether this man they do this woman, whether not good thing. How can a man go they fight for single mother money? Money where they pay children, go they fight, but all because of your own selfishness, my people. So because say you want me this man come born 9 children for you, now he make you can't tell the you go bring the woman come from Nigeria, maybe you can't born 9 children for you, so that maybe they keep the money, maybe they eat them. The woman say, you know, they give her money, maybe they do her. Nothing where this man they give this woman. You know, they keep all the money for your own self, my people. More than see reason now. What did this man they do now good thing? What did this man do this woman a good thing? Eh? I'm not sure to understand some men, no. So now what did make him? The woman said that day, when they come they fight. He give am 300 euro. Before month end, money don't finish. This man go pay light bill. You go use the money to pay the rest things where they pay. Then before you can't cook, buy pampers for pikin, buy this, money don't finish. Me ask the man for money, the man say no, they give him. You know they give him. So you just they carry all the money. So who see that video that then I will see the woman I be bad person. No, he said that the man I be the highest when me I never see. I feel talking for that my video say this money now woman supposed to the whole am fine. The woman go use and take care of the children. I make that they give her the money. Okay, now the woman say after that day, after that live video where they for calling, say the man can't pack his things, come on for us. He carry phone. The woman not even get phone today they call now. Carry everything, come on for us because police can't come. Police contact the woman, make the woman come out. The woman can't. They made the man come out. The man can't come out. Ever since that, the woman say no where he did. And now he account now that they put money. So what this woman need to do now? Not be need to go report so that maybe they give him the money, so that maybe they pay money for her because they need to take care of the children. I first can say this money, if understand the day house, even though the woman they hold the money, if understand the day house, there is no how she not go do shopping for us. There is no how she not go buy things for us. Me, I don't understand though. I don't know why this money they always the one cause problem for us. Only greedy man, then go do what this man they do. You carry your money, begin to give the woman small thing. Like seriously, I don't just understand some men. Oh, okay. See one topic when I listen when Lady T do, where the man they work, his wife, not they see. I know that is his wife, his own wife, with children. All of them they sleep city room. The man rent all the restroom out. When I listen to that way she do the live video, I shocked her eyes. He rents all the rooms out. You can't leave a city room. If they want to go for where the children did. That I think good. Don't want to be greediness. The man they work they work 8 hours work. You know if you take care of your family. The woman say carry tasks, now they go they carry food. Or because this man, you don't want to contribute. You don't want to give him anything. Like seriously. They give this woman 150 every month. And they give the woman. The woman say before month go in 150. How much 150? You go reach person stay it. Even for 1 week you go reach. So that they really buy things for house. 150 go reach for 1 week. So because of 1 month. Some men are greedy really. Some men are really greedy. Like seriously. The woman say no, he not fit again. I take cry out that they made the help. Some men did their body. I said that in that time for Padova. Yeah, people they stay Padova for Italy. Many of them. I said some who get us go to sleep kitchen. Who get us go to sleep kitchen. Who get us so we go to sleep kitchen. Or because they don't want to pay us rent. I say I get that time now when I will go there, say I want to go visit friend, I go see the way they live. I will say like seriously, you mean I say who get house now the sleep kitchen? I say husband and children, all of them we all they sleep one room. They can't give the restroom at all because they don't pay us rent. For me, I they look and say, person in Europe they live like slave. Okay, that man I say because he they build us for Nigeria, they make want to give you woman money. The woman leg one cut for characters, so they go everywhere they go. One go carry food for characters, my people. More na the reason something more na the reason we tell our med, some of our med they do whether na good thing. See this one now, you carry a wife come for Nigeria, no one make you wise. Now they see how many homes they break. We be say if the thing come and people go they say the woman a bad woman. The woman a bad woman. Your husband bring a call for Nigeria because of single mother money. He don't run. He don't do this. But we don't know what it happen. We don't know what it happen. What it make the woman come out? What it make the woman say no they marry again? How those sisters they cost them? If you bring your wife, collect her know how much will they pay. How much be this money so? As we understand the day, don't they use force for woman? If you pet woman, you they treat the woman well. Why the woman not will contribute to us? Why the woman not bring your own money to say, my husband, see how much they with me. Some men they receive money on the 15. You want them to say woman go your wicked rich way be say you don't go do shopping for us before that on the 15 rich. It must do. Now when the on the 15 reach, the man will say I stake or when I still support you. Obviously, you don't leave everything for the woman because say that they pay am. Like seriously, if government not, you know will take care of your children, you know will take care of your family. If government not there, we be so now go they wait for government, make government come to do everything for woman. I don't understand though, my people. Eh? That's make I come talk oh. Say man clear that issue. That man a very bad man. I don't see where man go say one bring your wife come from Nigeria. Make on born 9 children for her. 9. All because of money the money where they pay. Only here win and then I know will work. Because it go just depend on social for the rest of your life. Thank you everybody, my people. I beg. When I wait the Italy, where they stay part over. One they live where. I beg. Only this life, eh? Now only this life. If you die, don't they carry money follow you. Don't they carry anything follow you. As you take come with empty hand, so you take go back empty hand. So why you not enjoy yourself now when you there alive? When you do old, now you can't enjoy yourself. They are so that they built for you for Africa. You want from Europe, go sleep there. Or because when you bought from Europe now, go they fight for us when you built for Nigeria. Me, I don't understand to my people. I don't understand though. My people. So I talk this matter rich today. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. And anything you think about this video, you can leave your comments for the comment section down below. Thank you and always thumbs up for my video. Thank you everybody. Take care. And on the 30th, I will be doing a live video. 2 p.m. Thank you. Bye. You should come and watch that day. Hey. Now go see me live and direct. Thank you everybody. Take care. And don't forget our hookup is still there. I'm still doing my hookup. Our hookup still there. Gidigba. So if you need a responsible man and a responsible woman, you can contact me. I will hook you up with a nice man and a nice woman. Thank you. Bye.